Hello, 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 and welcome to Friday We Feast. We just hit 100 subscribers, so check out the video that we released this week and enter to win. We've got some really great prizes to give away. Today's backpacking meal is a backpacker's pantry, Jamaican style jerk, rice and beans with chicken. It is 310 calories. It is 19 grams of protein. It takes 540 milliliters of water, and that's all it requires. So it's a two-person, two-serving meal. So we'll get started. Here we go. Okay, our water is boiled, and we will pour it into our bag. And we will mix. It doesn't say mix, but we'll mix it around. And then we'll seal her up. Okay, we will put 15 minutes on the clock, and now we wait. Okay, our 15 minutes is done. It is time to try our Jamaican style jerk beans and rice with chicken. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. It looks more like a soup than Jamaican style beans and rice. So here we go with the taste test. Looks like rice and beans and little chunks of chicken. Everything looks like it hydrated well. It's a little warm, hot wise. It doesn't have as much flavor as I was hoping for. I noticed a chicken stock flavor, a little bit of maybe an onion, and beans. Everything hydrated well, but it's more soup. I probably won't buy this for backpacking. The rice is like a mixy rice. There is little red pepper flakes or red something, little cayenne flavor maybe. So thank you for joining us on another Friday We Feast. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. All your support is very much welcome. Make sure you check out our giveaway that we're doing this week for hitting 100 subscribers. And next week, we'll be doing a Mountain House breakfast skillet, and we're going to spice it up a little bit. I've got some ideas and tricks to make this excellent breakfast. So stay tuned and have a good day.